Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Our market left us very big clues right here and here as well. You just have to be extremely careful. We do have this very beautiful wedge here, and obviously the market's impending some news today, so you just have to be more careful. The news may come after hours, so just be careful if we remain in this wedge here today. Promise me that. Yeah. What's going to happen is you see 5-day already starting to trend up here. We will probably get to where this blue rhythm is, so this makes a very beautiful liquidity. You have to pay close attention to that. How does the 5-day moving average matters? Please watch yesterday's video. I talked about it in the video yesterday. It will also lead you to previous videos, so you have to watch them so you can understand my thought process through that as well. But more importantly, I want to talk about this 20-day moving average. Just take a look for the entire day. Yesterday, we were just building liquidity and soaking up sellers in the 20-day moving average. So this is absolutely beautiful. If you watch yesterday's video, I told you to wait. If the market's kind to us, obviously, we grab liquidity here on the breakout like that. So this will be absolutely beautiful when market decides to oblige in that way. Otherwise, don't worry. There's always a retest of the 20-day. I'm sorry, this is the 200-day moving average, and rebuild more liquidity before it starts pushing up. So you have to pay close attention to that, waiting out for that very important cup close. If this truly wants to head up, 200-day moving average will be quite an important level, and understanding this from the daily macro structure is absolutely important. You have to understand this, so please watch the video in the description so you have a better understanding of how to be looking out for this. Now, likewise, just be very careful of this, where the 5-day moving average is. So rule of thumb, if this is not 5 days not as resistance, it's not going down. And if 20 days not as support, 200 days not as support, this is not going up. So the market has practically given you a beautiful range for you to tell you not to overtrade. And sometimes you get pre-market after hours action that breaks out of the ranges, and that's absolutely fine. Learn to find profits in the charts. Don't be too concerned where the charts are going. You have to understand that if you want to be profitable, and so pay close attention to this, right? But otherwise, as I mentioned, larger cups at play. If this wants to head down, you absolutely will not miss it. 5-day will already turn into some sort of resistance. We will start closing cups at the yellow level here, 646. Blue rhythm building liquidity on the way down as well. So this will be absolutely beautiful. So just stay focused, especially if we continue staying the wedge today in regular trading hours. Just promise me, do not overtrade. There will always be profits to be found. Yeah. Now, if we do get up here, now this is something I want to additionally talk about. We do reject the 200-day. You do see that the blue rhythm has built liquidity here as well. Right, so you have to pay close attention to this particular liquidity levels here. So just be careful, right? Because you see the blue has been trying to build liquidity as well at this range here. So keep that in mind, because that's where the 20-day moving average will be. We do have certain rejection. You have to understand that there's always spillovers in very high volatility, especially in high volume orders that are being filled here. Right, so pay close attention to the very important levels, as I have brought to your attention here as well. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you closer to opening.